Hey y'all, I'm Dixie, and I'm here to teach you all about the letter D. Let's get started. This is the letter D. Why don't we learn the sound the letter D makes? To make the letter D sound, you'll start with your mouth slightly open, with your tongue touching the roof of your mouth just behind your upper front teeth. Then you'll let out a puff of air, like this. D, D, D. Can you give it a go? Come on, you can do it. Wonderful. Now let's look at some words that start with the letter D sound. Dog, doll, dollar, dolphin, deer. All those words start with the letter D sound. Can you please say those words with me this time? Dog, doll, dollar, dolphin, deer. Wonderful job! I do believe it's now time for a quiz. I'm going to say a word and you get to tell me if that word starts with the letter D sound. Here's an example. If I were to say the word donut, donut, and then ask you if it starts with the letter D sound, you would say, yes sirree, it sure does. But if I were to say the word jacket, jacket, and then ask you if it starts with the letter D sound, you would say, no, jacket does not start with the letter D sound. Okay, it's time to start the quiz. Here's your first word. Zebra. Does zebra start with the letter D sound? No sirree, zebra does not start with the letter D sound. Now for your second word. Dragon. Does dragon start with the letter D sound? Yes, dragon does start with the letter D sound. Let's try that one more time. Here's your last word. Diamond. Does diamond start with the letter D sound? Yes, diamond does start with the letter D sound. Wonderful job, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today to learn about the letter D sound. See y'all later.